Kahit mawala ako. Nandiyan pa rin kayo.
Okay. Alright. Ano talent mo?
Sasayaw. Sasayaw.
Sasayaw. Natuwa ka si Albert. Albert! Go, go, go! Yeah, hoy! Up!
Oh, I stop. Collaborating, listen. I sit back with my friend and mention something. Grabs a hold of me tightly, flow like a heartbeat daily and nightly. Will it ever stop? Yo, I don't know. Turn off the lights and I'll glow. To the extreme, I rock a mic like a vandal. Light up a stage and wax a trunk like a candle. Dance. The rush speaker that booms. I'm filling your brain like a poisonous mushroom. Deadly. When I play a dope melody, anything less than the best is a felony. Love it or leave it. You better gain weight. You better get bulls out.
Thank you very much, Albert! Sige na, go, let's go! Meron ka 5,000. Good luck sa inyo. Pwesto na mga kamay. Let's play the game. Here we go. Ito na, hulaan lang yan, ha? Unahan, taas ang kamay gagad kung kayo sasagot. Kantanong! Titulado, music please.
Bawal na gamot.
Ha?
Bawal na gamot.
Is correct. Bawal na gamot is correct. You have 1 point, Albert. Mabilito, mag-concentrate kayo. Meron pang chance, ha? Ito na ating kantanong. Sino to? Music please. Sino ang kumanta yan? Quiet please. You have 5. Huwag mong maingay, please.
Richard Murd.
Ha?
Richard Murd.
Richard Murd. Yo, man. Jazzer ka, pare. Jazz, man. Richard Murd, man. Hindi si Richard Murd yan. Kung ano man dyan. Mambili ito, pakinggan niyo po. Pwede yung kantahin. Music, please. Time is up. Ang kumanta po niyan, si Renz Verano. Di ba? Presto, Richard Murd. Ito na ang ating kantalong. 1 point si Albert. Sing no to. Go! Sino?
Freddy Aguilar.
Ha?
Freddy Aguilar.
Pasok na si Albert. Freddy Aguilar is correct. Salamat ang bilito. Ito po si Mars at si Laban. Go, Mars. Bate, go!
Pinabati ko ang lahat ng Katbalogan dyan. Sa mga kasama ko sa trabaho. Mga audience. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Kasama sa Mindanao.
Okay, bumati ka. Dre, pakiko naman ka ng full shot. Ano mo naman ng forma? Ano gusto kong forma? Yeah. Oo. Alright, okay. Ano ang trabaho mo, Mars?
Ako po ay nagtatrabaho sa...
Saan?
Diyan po sa may Kanumay po, sa shop namin.
Saan?
Sa Latero.
Latero ka?
Opo.
Ng mga kotse?
Mga kotse, sasakyan,
Kotses.
jeep.
Okay.
Skill.
Ilan taon ka na?
30 po.
30. May anak?
30. Wala pa po.
Bakit?
Kasi hindi pa nabubuntis ang aking asawa. Kasama ko ngayon.
Sige. Pakilala mo sa amin ang iyong mahal na asawa.
Pinapakilala ko ang aking asawa na mataba.
Mataba ba yan?
Mataba ang kanyang puso sa pagmamahal sa akin.
Go!
Si Miss Silay.
Ano? Silay. Aling Silay. Yan pala ang silay ng buhay mo.
I love you, Silay.
Naka. Aling Silay, ano ba ang gusto niyo sabihin sa iyong mahal na asawa?
Good evening po.
Good evening, Nay. Okay.
Masabi ko lang sa asawa ko, salamat na dumating ka sa buhay ko. Tapos, sana nandyan ka lang lagi para sa akin. Tapos, magtiyaga ka pa. Tapos, huwag ka na masyadong uminom. Tapos, basta huwag kang mang-chicks.
Wala.
Mahal na mahal kita. I love you.
Hindi kita iiwan. Dadagdagan lang.
Loko naman to. Mahal. Totoo ba yan? Ito ba yan si Chicks ba to? Kasama? Totoo?
Ang asawa.
Hindi ikaw, hindi. May nang si Chicks ba to?
Ay, hindi ka pa nahuli, Kuya Will.
Hindi naman. Di, wala naman. Okay. Palagay ko naman, hindi ka naman lolokohin ito. Di ba?
Ang asawa. Kailangan mahalin. I love you, Mami.
Babawi. Wala na. Wala na. Willing-willing na. Naks. Ano ba gusto mo sabihin sa mismo?
Love, huwag ka mag-alala sa akin. Hindi kita iiwan. Dadagdagan ng pagmamahal, hindi babae. Pagmamahal para sa iyo. I
Alright.
love you.
Meron ka bang salita sa kanya sa larangan ng English? Mga till death do us part. You're my life. You're my everything.
I hope I'm
hope.
here in Willing Willie. But I can speak for you in English. Anymore, sometimes. Don't forget. I love you so much.
Galing, ha? Hoy, si Pacquiao, ganyan dati mag-English. Ngayon, ang laki na lang ginaling. Congressman na. Ganyan dati. Bit, what, sir?
Siya na, high school lang tayo.
Hindi, okay lang yan. It's not about that. What is your motto in life? Do you have a motto in life? Don't
My
hold the
motto,
mic. Don't hold the mic. Okay. What is your motto in life? Can I take this off? Oh, look at that face. Oh, what a face.
I'm grow up. I'm grow up and down.
You grow up and down.
Grow up and down.
Yeah.
To the Pluto and Mars.
All right. Okay, you grow up and down. What is your... Do you have a saying?
Sing, no sing.
No, sing. Don't sing. Saying. What is your saying?
I can sing this.
What is your saying? I can sing this. What else do you want to tell your wife? What else?
My wife is a beautiful lady in the world.
Alright. What else? What else? Are you happy?
I'm happy.
Because...
My wife is small. Same to me.
Same to you. You're small, same to him.
Parehas kami.
Okay. What is your talent?
My talent is dancing.
Dancing.
All of you jeans, are you ready?
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao.
That's right. Ano, pwede mag-gusto. Are you ready? Okay. Spell ready.
R-E-E-D-Y.
Ready. Mars! Go, Mars! Go, Dan!